welcome to Pete's Garage. It is Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas. This weekend I have a 4-day weekend and I'm going to be working on probably almost all the cars. The Jeep needs a new pinion yoke. The Suburban, I'll probably work on getting the drive-by-wire pedal mounted and mount the tack module and the fuse box and maybe hook up the fuel pump and set the fuel pressure. The truck, which is outside, probably needs, well, no, for sure needs a muffler. And so I'm going to go ahead and cut the blown out muffler off of it and install one of the various mufflers that I have laying around the shop. The daily driver is even going to get a little bit of love. It needs a air filter, which I have, so I'm going to change that. And so it's going to be a busy weekend at Pete's Garage. All right, pinion yoke is out. And I'm going to tell you, before today, I would have said it was probably, maybe not impossible, but unlikely that you would ever wear out a pinion yoke. However, here is the pinion yoke that I just took out of the Jeep. And if you get right up on it, you can see that that surface, which is the sealing surface, is pitted and damaged. How that happened, I don't know. But this sealing surface is just not good. And that pitting took out the seal. So, thank you to Denny's Drive Shafts, who did not pay a promotion for this. I actually bought this yoke, but they got it to me overnight practically. So, thank you very much. I got this nice Napco Dana 44 U-bolt pinion yoke. It is perfect and in great shape and brand new, and more to the point, does not have a damaged and pitted sealing surface. So this should hopefully get rid of my leaky rear differential. Alright, let's see if I can get this on camera. So, I may have mentioned more than once that I'm having a driveline vibration. I'm not sure why. I don't think this has anything to do with it. It's Christmas! Merry Christmas! done. Sounds good. No more exhaust leak. I took the downpipe out from over the axle and built a little side pipe. There's Flowmaster. Yes, I cheaped out and used muffler clamps. Have I mentioned at all how cheap I'm going with this thing? That is all parts store exhaust parts. And it worked. And it sounds really good. And it's on there really tight. And I'll throw some baling wire around that just to keep it in there and secure so that it doesn't bounce too much. I don't think it's going to interfere with the spring too badly, but if it does, we'll move it. But yeah,